Well, here we have today's dessert. Just 2 ingredients and look at this wonder. Cut it into portions. They turn out incredible. Super tasty, super sweet, refreshing. Wow, amazing. Look, you have to make it. You're going to love it. It's really good.
I loved it.
We start with the eggs. 4 eggs that we're going to crack and put into a bowl, into a mixing bowl. A bowl, there they go. First step, done. See how easy it is? You just have to stir them, beat them, mix them. And in just a few seconds, you'll have it. That's how we want them, well beaten. Your turn. For the second ingredient, condensed milk. 500 grams of condensed milk. Add it little by little and keep stirring, because here we're mixing condensed milk with the egg, which is important. It's a really effective trick to do it gradually. If the condensed milk is from the fridge, it will be very hard. So leave it out for about half an hour until it reaches room temperature. And it will come out like this too, no? As you can see. So let's add all this condensed milk. Remember, it's half a kilo. In milliliters, it's very similar, 480, something like that. As soon as you have everything here, we stir. You stir until everything is well mixed. This will take you a few seconds, 30 to 40 seconds more or less. So, did you know how to stir like a pro? Well, the pros make a figure 8. There you go. Why? I have no idea. Doing it the rough way works great for me. And you know, if you like my videos but subscribe, you just have to hit the little red button down below and you'll be subscribed. Next to it, activate the bell. We are more than 600,000, just a handful of people. Thank you for those likes you leave me, for the super thanks you send me, and for watching me. I love you all. Let's go with the mold. In this case, I'm going to use one of these silicone molds. It cost me $3.90. And what really matters is the pen they use to write on it, because it doesn't come off no matter how much I use it. I've used it 50 times and it's still there. It's been through my hands, through the scrubber, through the dishwasher, of course through the oven, and it's still there. Let's go. We have to coat it with caramel, liquid caramel. Is it mandatory? No, but it's recommended because it will come out of the mold better and give it a really nice color on the outside. Second trick, add caramel. Alright, let's go with the tricks that will take your dessert to the next level. The mixture is well combined with just 2 ingredients. No tricks or gimmicks, is going to turn out great. And what we're going to do is leave this here and we're going to the fridge, not the freezer, the fridge, where we put our mold. Why? Well, because we added caramel to it, and that way it gets a bit hard with the cold and stays at the bottom. It won't move and mix with the rest of the ingredients. The trick works with these 2, and even better with this one. Let's put this over here. This over here and this over here, because we'll simply because we want any impurity or little lump of sugar. You know, it has a lot of sugar for the condensed milk to stay in the strainer. And also, if your eyesight isn't great and a little piece of eggshell slipped in, well, no problem, it stays here. If you strain it, it will turn out much smoother, more denser, more concentrated and richer. A great tip, don't miss it. I've got it now. And what we're going to do is cover it with aluminum foil. If you're lucky and your mold has a lid, then you're all set. I'll make do with this. And from here, we're going to go to the Bain-Marie and then to the oven. We're going to cook in a Bain-Marie, in a tray with water. 2 centimeters of water is enough. If you put it in just like that, you'll get a baked custard, which is not what we're looking for. We're looking for a different kind of texture. So put this inside a tray and we add at least 2 centimeters of water, between 2 and 4 centimeters, depending on how tall your mold is. And the last trick, hot water. If it's hot, it will turn out much better. Wing half in and half out. Doing it the hard way, I've made a living cleaning. Come on, that's enough. From here to the oven and the dish will be ready in no time. We preheat the oven to 170 degrees with heat on the top and bottom, and as soon as it reaches the temperature, we put it in and bake for 50 minutes. After the time is up, we take it out and wait for it to cool down a bit in the water itself. And as soon as it loses a little heat, we take it out of the water. And now we can put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours so it cools down completely. After the time has passed, look how great it looks. It comes out of the mold without any problem. And it has this fantastic toasted color on top. Wow. Honestly, it makes you want to dig in right away. I was going to put a bit of strawberry jam on top and some fruit. But I think I'll leave it like this because it looks amazing. I'm just going to add a little more caramel. Like this. And that's it. The tastiest dessert prepared in 2 minutes, just 2 ingredients, and it turns out this good. Cut it into portions, share it with your guests. They're going to love it. It's amazing. You have to make it. There you have it. Look at that slice. And the little portion looks spectacular. A real treat. Here it is. Challenge completed. Look, who would have thought you were going to do this? A dessert with just 2 ingredients, so quick and this good? Let's go to the test. Look there. Look at that creaminess. It looks amazing. It's really good, it's creamy, but it's also dense, it's sweet. You can taste the hint of caramel. It's really delicious, huh? It's an amazing dessert, very similar to Toccinillo. I love it. I hope you all liked it too. Thank you for coming. If you want, I'll leave the ingredients for you over there because there are only 2. Where do I put them? Also in the text box and throughout the video so no one gets lost. Love you all. Bye, Platazo, that was great.